45分钟。
Wow, that's a wonderful one. That's our second factory, and this is a wonderful one. And the next time, because due to the time, we are having our Guangdong Xinyi Lighting Company. Hi, Guangdong Xinyi. Are you ready?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm waiting a long time.
Oh, wow. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. Sorry for keeping waiting, but I think it's worth waiting, right? Thank you. Thanks. Can you please turn on your camera, please? 开一下摄像头. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
Hello.
Hi. Wow, I see a very handsome gentleman. Hi. I'm Jane. You can call me just by Jane.
I'm Lex.
Sorry, I didn't catch your name, please.
Lex. R-E-X.
Oh, Rex. Rex. Hi, Rex. How are you? Great. So Rex, would you like to show us a little bit of your company, because we are doing the factory tour on live, and I cannot be of your person. So your company is in Guangzhou or Zhongshan? Zhongshan. Okay, Zhongshan City. Okay, thank you. So thank you. Rex, would you like to give us an introduction in like 15 minutes or 10 minutes to have a full landscape of your company introduction and what your mainly products, what's your main production like that, and show us around. Thank you.
Okay.
Here we go. Yeah.
Let's go. Hello, everyone. I'm Lex from Guangdong Xinyi Lighting Company, which is a professional in LED outdoor floodlight. Now let me introduce our top 10 products. Number 1, the Net series. This series, we only have 2 sizes, but you can fit on pedestal or holder. This is holder or hook. This is hook. Or embroidered part. This is number 2, the simple series. There are 4 sizes. First is 125, 158, 205. This one is 205. And the biggest is 255. The number 3, Action series. In here, there are 5 sizes, same as the simple series, and one more 18 size, the little one. You can fit them on pin. This is on pin, and this is the biggest one. Or pedestal or hook, or on the wall. Which is this is on the wall.
Oh, this wall installation one.
Or used as low lamp. This is used as lowland.
Lowland one, yeah.
The number 4, Lost series. This is Lost series.
Low series.
Yeah, there are 6 sizes.
6 sizes.
Yeah, from 1905 115, 118, 230.
Yeah.
219.
Mhm.
The biggest is 355. This is the biggest. It's 16 kilogram. Also, this year you can use the emptied part like this. And
This one.
the number 5 race series is on the here. It's 5 size.
5 sizes.
It is 200 and 270, 370,
Mhm.
410. The biggest is 466. The number 6 CKNG series. There are 5 sizes. 96, 135,
135.
160, and 195. The biggest is 213. The number 7 BMW series. This is the large. You can order any size because the body is stretching aluminum. The conventional products are 305. This one. And 425 and double head. And 525 and double 15, 575 and double. The biggest is 685. Number 8, small BMW series. The small BMW. The conventional products are 185. $260. This one 350 and double head 395 and double 575 and double head. Yeah.
Wow. Production line is good.
Thank you. Number 9, the X series. There are 5 sizes. This series. The small is 110. Second is 170 and 206, 240. The biggest is 280. One of the biggest. Number 10, engine series. There are 3 sizes. The small is 80, and 105, 150. This can fit a desktop and a pin. This is with pin. Okay.
Okay, very good.
Above is our top 10 products.
Wow. I see like a 10 series of product lines so that you have a full introduction for the overseas globally. And your introduction is really good. And I see a lot of sizes and of different categories in your production lines are reach. Wow, that's very good. Hi. Thank you, Rex. It's a very good job and you have done. And may I ask you some questions because during your introduction, I like to ask one thing. The first one is, you are doing the export, right?
Yeah.
To sell them overseas. And do you have some certification like UL, CE, and what kind of countries that you can sell this product to? Like USA or European?
Sorry,
Oh, don't worry. Have you ever sold those products to US, America, or
no.
Europe?
We sell to Poland and
Poland.
India.
India. Yeah.
No, Vietnam.
Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah. So South Asia, Southeast Asia. Yeah.
In Asia.
Asia.
Okay.
Okay, that's great. And have you been trying to sell online, for example, on Amazon or Shopify or eBay? Have you ever tried this? No, not started. Okay, because it's a very traditional B2B. Yeah, that's great. And do you have any characteristics? For example, those outdoor lighting, they're waterproof, right?
Yeah. IP65.
IP65. Some product will be up to IP7 or all of them are IP65. Most of them are IP65, right?
Most IP65.
Okay, that's waterproof and the basement. Yeah, I see that you can do the products oversized and are then popular selling.
Yes.
Yeah, very popular. Yeah, great. Do you have a big factory behind you? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You want to see my factory?
Is that very far?
No, just here.
Oh, just here.
It's
Okay.
a showroom. It's a showroom.
Yeah, showroom. You give
factory.
Ah. Yeah. Oh, I see. Wow. That's real. That's real.
进了，他能听到我声音。
Floor 1.
In Zhongshan City, I see focus on outdoor lighting. Yeah. I see your logo. Oh, wow. That's great. That's so vivid. And it's really true. Thank you. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Rex.
It's stop.
Okay. Wow. I see your store.
Hello.
Okay.
Hey. 老外. This is a material.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. I see. I see. So the landscape of the factory, wow, it's plenty of spaces. Thank you. Thank you, Rex. I see quite clear and vivid, and just like you are working with me, and yeah, it's way back to your exhibition showroom. Thank you. Anything else you would like to add on this introduction, Rex?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You have given us a very wonderful introduction this whole time. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rex. And I'm so happy that you're participating in our live stream factory tour. And today, I'm so happy to meet you, Rex. And thank you for your introduction. And see you next time. See you. Bye-bye. See you. Thank you. Bye. Good job.